In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail confidential mode. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, go to the top left corner and click the Compose button to start creating a new email. In the Compose window, enter the recipient's email address and type your subject line just like you normally would when sending an email. Next, look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window and find the icon that looks like a lock with a small clock on it. This is the Toggle Confidential Mode button. Click that icon to enable Gmail's confidential mode settings. A settings window will appear where you can configure the security options for your message. First, select an expiration date from the drop-down menu. This determines how long the recipient will be able to access the message. You can choose the options such as expires in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or even up to 5 years. Choose the time frame that fits the sensitivity of your message. Shorter expiration times are usually better when you're sharing highly confidential information. Next, decide whether you want to require an SMS passcode. If you enable this option, the recipient will need to enter a verification code sent to their phone before they can open the message. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially when sending sensitive information to someone outside your organization. If you leave the SMS passcode option turned off, the recipient will be able to open the confidential message without the text verification. Choose whichever option works best for your situation or what you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Save to apply them. Back in the Compose window, you'll see a notice confirming that confidential mode is active, along with the expiration time you selected. Review your email one more time to make sure everything looks correct, then click Send. After sending the email, you can open your sent folder to review the message and confirm that confidential mode is applied. The recipient will only be able to view the email until the expiration date you selected, and if SMS passcode is enabled, they'll need the verification code before accessing the message. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.